Hey everybody, it's Carol. This video is a giveaway, an announcement of the winner of the last giveaway, and a great product I just got from Octoly, and I'm going to demo it now for you. I asked Octoly to send me this by Becca. So they sent it, and it is a velvet blurring primer, perfecting base, apricot haze. Oh, that sounds really good. The apricot, the blurring, it just all sounds good. So let me show you what it looks like. So we're going to try it now and put on my foundation and then my contour, my blush, my bronzer, and we'll see how it looks, okay? Maybe I'll just do it on one side. That's what I'll do. So it has a little ball in it, and it comes out like an apricot color. And this brush can do everything on your face. From contour to highlight to concealer to foundation, primer, serums, sunscreen. I am in love. And I have two other favorite brushes, but this is topping everything because you see the shape of it? All your products go on the side of the fibers. They don't go in. Okay? So when you go in like this, it's nice and smooth. It doesn't take anything away from your face. So it just stays on your face. It doesn't get soaked up into the brush. Alright. So I have the primer on this side. I won't go a morning or a night without this Hydro Screen by Dr. Nassif. It's got retinol and it's got hyaluronic acid. It's called Hydro Screen. This is exactly what he gives his patients before they're going to have surgery on their face to hydrate them. I can't stress this enough how good this is. And it leaves your skin plump and dewy and hydrated all day, all night. I put it on at night, I put it on in the morning. I do let this soak in before I start my foundation. I have my serum and I have sunscreen on. So now I'm going to put the foundation. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, let's start here. Okay, that's it. I think I will continue to use this. Then I will wipe it, and you see how it gets in there? It goes all the way in. It's nice and smooth. It blends everything. I don't think there are any brush marks that I can see. So I'm going to wipe it. Now we're going to put it on the other side. Just one paddle. Sometimes I do one paddle for the whole face. Or two paddles. See how it goes right onto the eye? Very easy. Very easy to do. Go here. Okay, so I have it on both. I'm going to use this concealer by Pure. I think I'll put it on with my fingers. It's gentle that way. I'm going to take this little brush and just pat, pat, pat. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Bronzed and Poreless, which they have discontinued, and I just can't believe it. I wrote Jarrett, and he hasn't answered me back yet, but this is really the best bronzer they have. What I tell you is that NARS Laguna, the light diffusing bronzer, is very equal. But I'm telling you, that's a good one. That is a very good one, equivalent to this. And when I run out of my backups, that's what I'll buy. I'm going to put a little contour here and here, here. This is an excellent product. It was sent to me by Octoly many months ago, and I bought 2 or 3 backups since. This also was sent to me. It's the ARTIS brush. It's called the Oval 6. And I'm telling you, this does the work for you. I always forget to do the bottom. Okay. This is amazing. This is so incredible, this brush. It's my favorite contour brush. It just does the work for you. Just swoop it up under your cheekbone and then blend it in. I'm going to put a little blush. This is the Rapture by Urban Decay. With the same brush I put the bronzer. So they can mix together. Sometimes I just wear the bronzer as my blush. And then on my nose, I have a good contour by Flower that is actually an eyeshadow, and I contour my nose with it all the time. I will show that to you another time. This also is light diffusing. This pure, I forget the name of it. And one little tip about putting the highlighter, not the highlighter, the concealer on the top of your bridge. If your hand isn't steady, you could just go push everything out and go sideways, and you could get a nice straight line. And I always put this cap on and then put that, and it hasn't dried out at all. See, I'm going to do everything with this because let's see, I do have sponges here. Okay, let me take this. It's dry, but it's okay. It still moves the product. It's got a lot of sides to it, you know, a little pyramid. It's actually this little diamond. It's a diamond. You gotta put right there. See how that makes your nose narrower? Put concealer on the side of your nose. So you've got concealer, contour, concealer, contour, concealer. So what you do is you just put your contour on first and blend that. Then you go in with your concealer here and your concealer here. Then you take your brush or your sponge. You could take your sponge. You could take both. I think I might need this. My nose is swollen. I gotta go see Dr. Nassif. My nose is taking a long time to go down. He did show me a picture of me on the operating room after he was done with surgery, and not look as swollen as this does. All right. You know what? I need my finishing powder. Oh, I have it. Yes, I do. This is the brightening. Miss AOA is like the best powder ever, and it's $1 on the Shop Miss A website. There you go, right? And I'll go under here and under here. It's a brightening powder. It doesn't settle into fine lines. It doesn't get cakey. It doesn't make you look old. I love this. Now I have to do my nose. It's good. That is the blurring side, and this is no primer here, blurring primer here by Becca. And That's on this side, and this side is just foundation without the primer. So I wanted you to be able to see. I think I see a difference here, right? This is my first time using it, but I wanted to show you on camera how it performed. I like that it's apricot because it's very complimentary for your skin. And okay, I'm reading it backwards, so if I'm slow, that's why. Packed with blur technology, the Universal Skin Smoothing Primer creates the ultimate canvas for all-day velvet smooth makeup wear. Like a magic eraser, instantly the appearance of pores, fine lines, and imperfections are blurred, leaving skin perfectly prepped for long-lasting, even makeup application. The unique lotion to powder, lotion to powder formula is oil-free yet hydrating and allows makeup to glide on like velvet. The delicate apricot shade beautifully flatters and subtly brightens all skin tones as pore blurring powders float over skin to diffuse light for a velvety, smooth finish. Wow, okay, that's why this side looks a little different. Yeah, this is a blurring. This is very good. I'm going to take a little here. I want to show you what it would look like. I'm going to put some just on my smile line. Let's see. It's got to dry. So I put an extra bit of it right over here. And it needs to dry a little. Oh, I think it's good. So you have to wait for it to dry down so it does its magic. Okay, thank you, Becca. So I'm going to have another giveaway right now. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away a robe, a palm brush. Let me see what else I had put aside for you. I am giving you one of these with the robe and the palm brush. And I will demo this in another video. But this, you charge this, it's a USB charge, and you massage face and body. Incredible. It's like the little Jeep one. It grabs. It just grabs. But I'll put this away. I have two of these. So my next giveaway, I'll give away one also. That's it for today. I'm going to roll right into the winner. I'm going to show you the winner online so you can see how I pick. And I'm so happy you're here. Go out and spread your love. Give your love to everybody. And good luck to the winner. Here we go. We have a giveaway on our channels. We don't reply to comments because then our name will count as an entry. And we don't want that. So we want just your name, and random picker goes right to my video, takes all the names, throws it in a bowl, and picks it. And this time I'm going to give out another palm brush, another robe, and your choice of color. I have blue, red, and green. And I'm going to give away, let's see, a ring. And you can pick which one you want.